Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 17 of our magic book journey. A very, very warm welcome to all of you.
Good morning and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Happy morning.
Happy morning.
So, before we start our session today, anybody has any sharings? How was the feeling of the assignment yesterday? Who all did the assignment?
Yes, I did it.
Lovely. Would you like to share?
Okay. I have this. Mm, though I didn't feel it didn't help, but I'm sharing it. I had this ankle problem since
Huh?
2 weeks. It's hurting, and so I imagined I was walking on the beach barefoot, and how they said, no, just imagine. So I could feel the soft sand and all. And then I said, thank you, thank you for the uh, ideal, whatever
State, ideal
state.
state.
I did state, yeah. So I did that.
And then?
No, I have not felt uh, better. I have not felt better.
Okay, okay. So you could have stayed there for a longer time wherein you were imagining,
Okay.
yeah? And did you notice, I mean, what was the state of your mind? How were you feeling when you started doing it?
No,
Did you notice that?
no.
Okay, so my request to all of you is that before you start any visualizations, get yourself into the high feeling mode, to the above the line. So feel as joyful as you can, feel as happy as you can, and do things, just increase your energies, just shift your energies before you begin.
Okay.
So, Uma, did you check that? So, what happened that there was no change in right now? Also, you're sharing that. How did you feel when you felt that? Oh no, there is no magic, no change. How did you feel?
No, I didn't feel. I said it's a. I mean, I said it's a 2 week illness. I mean, 2 weeks it's been. It. I mean, I said it. I mean, I said it can't go so fast. I told myself,
So that
control
belief
myself.
is there. That belief is there that
That
it cannot
belief
go.
was there. Yeah, that belief
Yeah.
was there. Wrong belief, but.
And no, nothing is wrong or right. It's a
Mm,
belief. Yeah. So we need to work on it.
mm,
And before you started, was there a thing that, you questioned that, let me see whether it happens or not?
mm. No, I didn't say think like that. But I said, okay, I have this issue. Let me work on it now. That way. I
Okay.
didn't have disbelief, but maybe not full belief.
Maybe.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
maybe is a very interesting thing. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, anybody else? So, you know what? When we and we want to put it in the soil, first we don't think that no, the plant is not going to come out, right? With complete faith, we just put dig the soil, make it fertile, put more fertilizers. If it's too hard, we make it little soft, and then we put the seeds in it. And then the magic happens after a few days. You keep on watering as much as water is required. First you sprinkle water, and then we see the shoots coming out, and then the plant, it grows, and it's such a delight to see that, na.
Yes.
So yeah, so whatever seed, however is the quality of the seed, it will be the same. The plant will be the same. Yeah, how much we put waters, then how much air is there. If we keep it in a closed room, that's not going to happen. It's not going to work. Then how much sunlight falls on it. So then that means that. So yesterday we were talking of beliefs, right? So yeah, so let's before we sit for any visualizations,
Mm.
let's get into that. So we all know for ourselves that if I dance, I get into a very good mood. If I just go for a walk, I get into the very I get into that peppy mood. I get excited, I feel joyful. Or if I go for a nature walk,
Mm.
for all of us, we need to find for ourselves.
Yeah.
So it all depends on the feelings. And of course, if like how we were discussing and how it's shown in the Secret movie also, that how people have changed their lives. So you can try it for the same thing today again and see the magic happen.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Anybody else has any sharings? But it was very nice of you to share this, Uma, and clarified
No,
our doubts also.
no, I felt very bad. I said, what do you think? That it didn't work, you
No,
know.
no, no,
I
no.
I said I shouldn't bring any, disbelief into this.
No, no, no. Many of us have experienced that
Mm.
many times.
Mm.
Yeah, but it's a nice thing that the moment you've shared now, you have actually dropped that one covering around your
Okay.
around that energies you have shifted. So
Okay.
that's why I keep on saying that more and more new people, please share whatever is happening. Just share with the group so that, if you share, you can, of course, if this has happened with Uma, it's happened with me also, it can happen with anybody. So it's fine.
Yeah, because then you can you can help us. Yeah, like you told me,
Yeah.
Um,
And being more and more
that
grateful to whatever has happened. So were you grateful for your toes, for the other parts of the body, for your other functions in the
yes,
body?
yeah. Before that, I did that. For
Ah,
5, I did that before.
okay. So increase your feeling of gratitude also, because that's what we are learning every day, na? So increase your feeling of gratitude in other areas also.
Okay.
And remember the magic when you didn't ask and it came to you. Remember yesterday you
Yeah.
shared about your
Yeah,
daughter.
yeah. Yeah, I didn't ask it. Out of the blue, it came.
Unconsciously, some logic must have come, so that's
No,
fine.
and the reason it was magic because in these times it's difficult, no? And yet it came from without asking for it. It came.
Yes.
So
So there are 7 people on the call. Yeah, anybody has any sharings?
I'm the only one who is wounded. No, only one. Well, good, good. I'm the only one with little health issues. Very good. All healthy beings. Very nice.
Yes, somebody wants to share before we begin our session at 6 a.m. today. Another 2 minutes to go. So, are we all excited for today's session?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Ah.
Yes.
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 Can I have
Yes.
a big yes? Shout and say
Yes,
yes.
Yes,
yes.
Thank
yes, yes.
Yes.
Where's the Josh? Yes.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely to hear that. Because today's chapter is about the magic check. We all are going to get a blank check and we can fill in any amount that we want.
Okay, okay.
How interesting, na?
Mm.
and this check is not from anyone else but the universe. So now all those people who said yes, we are excited, aren't you excited to share whatever has happened in your life in all these past 16 days of our magic book journey? In fact, 17 days, day 0 also. Can we share?
वंदना जी, मैंने ये 2 दिन से ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ। मैं जहाँ पे बैठती हूँ ना, वहाँ मेरे पीछे मनी प्लांट है और तुलसी जी का प्लांट है।
हाँ जी।
तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप तो वो फिजिकल तो इधर है नहीं, पर आपका जो ये स्पीच हो रही है, जो सेशन हो रहा है, उसका वाइब्रेशन होता होगा, क्योंकि उसमें मैंने ग्लो देखा पहले से। इतना ज्यादा वो ग्रो अप नहीं थे, पर मैं 2 दिन से ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ, तो वो मुझे भी इतना फ्रेश लग रहे हैं। तो मैंने सोचा कि शायद इसका मैजिक कुछ वाइब्रेशन हो रहा है, या तो वो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ।
आपकी वाइब्रेशंस चेंज हो गई है, इसीलिए उनकी वो अच्छी तरह से ग्रो हो रहे हैं.
Oh, very good.
अच्छा,
Very nice.
It's so nice that you're observing all this, Hina ji, and you are really, you are in sync with nature. इसीलिए आप इतना ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो. And it's nice that you just think that way, that your vibrations are changing, your feelings are changing. आपकी feelings और आपकी vibrations, आपकी जो अंदर से जो vibrations निकल रही है, that is changing, and of course it affects the plants, of course.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Hina ji, for sharing. Who else? Hina ji, did you do the assignment yesterday?
नहीं, कल नहीं हो पा रहा है। मुझे वो करना तो है, क्योंकि काफी कुछ एरिया में मुझे वो चाहिए, तो फिर मुझे प्रॉपर आपसे वो समझना था, तो मैं बाद में आपसे बात कर लूंगी कि
अच्छा,
कैसे अपने को हील करना है, वो मुझे।
आप अभी भी पूछ सकते हो.
हाँ, वैसे मुझे नी पेन है, और मुझे मेरा फैट रिड्यूस करने हैं।
हाँ.
हाँ, वो थायराइड है, तो इसी हिसाब से मुझे ये हुआ है। पर मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है थायराइड है, पर फैट रिड्यूस करना है। सो कैसे वो करना है, वो मुझे, उसको क्या मुझे कमांड देना है, वो मुझे।
हाँ, तो सिंपल है. आपको अपनी ग्रैटिट्यूड इंक्रीज करनी है अपने बॉडी के लिए. एंड द मोमेंट यू सेड मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है थायराइड के लिए, सो so the cells in your body have actually got the message that ये थायराइड तो है ही, it's a natural thing. लेकिन you will be amazed to know that people जिनको 20 साल 30 साल से भी थायराइड है, उन्होंने भी अपनी बॉडी से थायराइड को निकाल दिया है. I mean not थायराइड को निकाल दिया, but whatever is the imbalance in the thyroid gland. So nothing is, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि you won't be able to change in your life, in your body, in your mind, with the feeling of gratitude, with this magic of gratitude. So again ये एक maybe it's a belief, because जब हम डॉक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं तो वो हमें ऐसा ही बोलते हैं कि अगर आपको ये हो गया है तो आपको ये लाइफ लॉन्ग मेडिसिन लेनी पड़ेगी. सो अगेन ये एक बिलीफ बन गया है. तो उसको आप कैसे, जस्ट टेल मी, आप बताइए, आप हाउ कैन यू टेक आउट दिस बिलीफ, हाउ कैन यू वर्क ऑन दिस बिलीफ, कैसे आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
तो where is your thyroid gland, you know ना?
हाँ.
कहाँ पे है?
अपने क्या बोलते हैं, थ्रोट में.
हाँ. आपकी वीडियो चालू नहीं है क्या?
नहीं, चालू है ना.
I can't see you.
चालू है.
We can see.
अच्छा, तो आप थ्रोट में, मतलब यहाँ पे ना?
हाँ,
Here,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
हाँ. तो आप अपने लेफ्ट, अच्छा यू हैव हाइपोथायरॉइड?
हाँ,
ओके,
यस।
हाँ, तो आप अपने राइट पाम को उधर रख दीजिए एंड जस्ट गिव एज मच ग्रैटिट्यूड एज यू कैन। कैसे आप बोलोगे? एक टाइम था ना जब आपका, सो यू थिंक ऑफ द आइडियल स्टेट, एक when this thyroid gland was functioning properly, and अभी आप कर रहे हो,
हाँ,
and just feel the vibrations from your palms going into your thyroid gland, and think when you were proper, बिल्कुल एकदम कुछ भी तकलीफ नहीं थी, everything was working fine in this gland. All of us can do. Be thankful to this gland. Give as much gratitude as you can. कृतज्ञता, शुक्राना देना है, जितना आप दे सकते हो. And smile and feel that smile in the thyroid gland. Wow. Be as excited as you can. Be as joyful as you can. Remember the time when you were 15 years young, and that time how you used to feel. Feel that, get into that same feeling state. Feel those vibrations in your body. Feel it in every cell of your body. So like this you have to keep on doing, huh, Hina ji? And especially when you go to sleep in the night, before you go to sleep in the night, and when you, जब आप सुबह जल्दी उठ जाते हो ना, that time also.
Okay.
And have you written in your dream list?
तो वो पूरा अभी 10 नहीं लिखा है, 5 लिखा है अभी तो.
Oh, no, why you haven't written abhi tak? Okay, I want to tell you one thing. All of you, if you haven't written your dream list, then आप अपनी अपनी लाइफ में जो मैजिक, जो हम चैप्टर्स पढ़ रहे हैं, वो मैजिक्स थोड़ी देर से आएंगे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट विल नॉट कम, बट इट विल कम, थोड़ा देर से महसूस होगा. यू नो, जो डीपर मैजिक्स, जो इंटेंशन है इस बुक की, like today's chapter is about magic check. मतलब whatever check you're going to write on your name, the universe is giving you a blank check. जो भी आप उसमें amount डालोगे, that amount will come in your life. But provided the universe always sees that, universe always likes action. Universe को delays पसंद नहीं है. It doesn't understand because वो उसके डिक्शनरी में है ही नहीं. तो जैसे जैसे हम अगर, then you know the universe will test us more. So do we want more tests, or do we want our life to be smooth and magical?
Magical. Vandana, but if you only have 5 dreams, then?
Oh, really?
No, I mean, yeah, I suppose so.
In those all areas, those 5-6 areas we have, the book had told us on day 0, and you have only 5 dreams. That's really awesome.
I'm trying to think, more, but I'm not able to find more dreams.
You also? Okay. So then you have to do a concentrated practice. You know, maybe I mean, if you take each and every area you'll have 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, actually, if I take myself, then in myself, I have 2-3 dreams, getting slimmer, getting healthier, getting...
about your career, about money, so many things are there, na?
Yeah, but like for my career, I don't have any ambitions anymore.
That's fine. What about the other areas? Money?
Yeah, so I did all that: money, home, children,
so then
myself.
Only 5 dreams were coming?
Yeah, but do I extend one? Like I say, okay, for myself, there's health, becomes one. And because in mine only there's health. In one person, like there's health, getting slimmer, and getting I can't get the word, whatever, getting more positive. So myself, I have 3-4 dreams, for myself.
What do you
That
mean
is
by
the,
myself? I mean, myself
no,
of only your body and mind.
yeah, I'm talking of my body. I
No, but
want to.
that the book doesn't say, na. The book says about everyone around you, right? So you have your
Okay.
family.
Okay. Yeah.
So, you can write dreams. Don't you have? I know, I don't know.
No.
पन्ना जी वो जो डे 0 था ना वो अटेंड नहीं किया था, तो ड्रीम लिस्ट में मुझे प्रेजेंट में लिखना है या मुझे चाहिए ऐसा कुछ लिखना है?
तो आपको जो चाहिए, जो प्रेजेंट में, प्रेजेंट टेंस में लिखना है, बट वॉट एवर इज योर ड्रीम, आपके जो
Okay.
सपने हैं उनको लिखना है. आपके सपने आपके लिए हो सकते हैं, आपके बच्चों के लिए हो सकते हैं, आपके करियर के लिए हो सकते हैं. तो वो जो अगर आपने फर्स्ट डे 0 अटेंड नहीं किया है, तो आपको वो पीडीएफ दिया है मैजिक बुक का हिंदी में भी.
हाँ
आप
हाँ
उसे खोल लीजिए आज, और वो पेज
Okay.
में जाके वो जो भी एरियाज है उसके बारे में एक एक एरिया को लेके आप लिख लीजिए. प्लीज प्लीज
Sure,
before you make the magic check, please make sure that you are very much clear about your dreams.
Okay.
Otherwise,
One,
there'll be disappointment unnecessary that it's not happening, because I'm receiving quite a few personal messages and calls also that no magic is happening. But just small magics are appearing in our lives, but we are not aware of it.
नहीं,
वन्ना
वो
जी,
तो महसूस कर रहे हैं, वो तो हो ही रहा है. मैंने अभी जैसे बोला कि ये मुझे प्लांट में मुझे दिख रहा है, ऐसे वैसे मैं किसी को पेड करती हूँ तो वो अभी फिजिकली किसी को देना है तो वो मैं कवर में ऊपर लिख के देती हूँ, तो वो लोग भी सरप्राइज होते हैं कि आप ऐसे कैसे लिखते हो. तो फिर मैं उससे बात करती हूँ कि मैं ये ऐसा मैजिक सेशन में अटेंड कर रही हूँ तो इसका ये इफेक्ट है. तो वैसे तो मेरा शेयरिंग भी ज्यादा बढ़ता रहता है इसी तरह.
लवली. हाँ, बट
वन्ना
ये,
जी,
हाँ जी.
yeah, you finish it, then I'm telling.
Yeah, thank you, Hina ji, for just sharing what you shared. That you are right. किसको भी आप रुपया दे रहे हो तो you're putting in an envelope and you're writing, you're
हाँ.
blessing the money and giving. That's very
हाँ.
beautiful. And we all can do that for ourselves.
डे बिफोर यस्टरडे का अपना असाइनमेंट था कि कोई भी एक फैमिली मेंबर, उसके लिए अपने को लिखना था.
हाँ जी.
है ना? मैंने कल सुबह लिखा था.
हाँ.
और आज मेरे को उसका आंसर मिल गया. मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ थायराइड से अफेक्टेड है, शी इज फैटी. तो मैंने उसके लिए 10 ब्लेसिंग लिखी थी. I can share, not now.
Yeah, why not?
Because it's recording, I will, मतलब फिर मैं अपने बच्चों को सुनाऊंगी, तो ये अपने पर्सनल में शेयरिंग करें.
That's okay, that's fine.
हाँ?
Yes.
तो देखिए मैजिक कैसे हुआ, मेरे को अपने आप आज इसका आंसर मिल गया.
Lovely.
थायराइड ग्लैंड को इस ढंग से ग्रेटिट्यूड दीजिए.
Yes. Lovely. I'm so glad that you got your answer. So nice.
इसीलिए मैं आज शेयर नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं रिकॉर्डिंग आज की बच्चों को सुनाऊंगी. ओके. तो आज अपनी बाद में बात करेंगे इसके विषय.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing, Usha ji. Okay, so now can we begin? It's already 6:15. Yeah. If anybody else has any sharings, and if you remember to share anything which is not coming in your mind right now, you can share with us after the session today. But today is a very beautiful and very important session, the magic check. So we have done about, so can we look at the picture? What can we understand from the picture? Or all of us, I want all of you to please involve yourself in this group discussion. Can you share, each one of you?
There is a magic check on the table.
Yeah.
And there is a magic dust on there.
हाँ जी. What else is there?
There is
स्टैम्प
a
है, हाँ कुछ स्टैम्प है और
वॉलेट है,
टेलीफोन है,
कोई
टेलीफोन
फोल्डर
है।
है,
वो बक्सा है,
फोल्डर
कोई मैजिक
magic
There's a
box.
gift wrapped envelope and there's a
टेलीफोन भी है.
हाँ जी. So what does this? अभी तो हमने describe कर दिया. अभी इसको हमें puzzle को solve करना है, riddle को solve करना है. So what can we understand?
So the gift wrapped, something has come, something nice has come in the gift wrapped envelope.
Okay. And
you hear some good news on the phone.
right. Lovely.
मैजिक सब जगह पे फैल गया है उसका.
Sorry.
There is a magic was everywhere.
Magic is everywhere. Lovely.
यू स्टैम्प इट, मतलब आप स्टैम्प कर रहे हो, वो स्टैम्प दिख रहा है कुछ.
अच्छा. Okay. Is that a stamp? It's a magical stamp.
Or a lamp, can't tell actually what it is.
Yeah, actually it's a lamp.
लैम्प है. ओके.
लैम्प.
Yes, it's a lamp. Yes.
वॉलेट.
So there is a wallet. Wallet
of-
के अंदर check है and
हाँ,
magic is falling on the wallet. And why it's magic is falling on the wallet and the check, because our today's chapter is about the magic check which we are just going to receive today at the end of the chapter from the universe, and it's a blank check and we have the liberty. हमको जो भी amount उसमें लिखना है हम लिखेंगे आज, with the feeling of joy, with the feeling of excitement. So that's why please be excited and joyful before we begin the session today. Yes, be as happy as you can.
yes.
Remember we did the chapter on magic money wherein we paid our gratitude.
Yes.
We made that magic note, and thank you for all the money that we have been received throughout my life. वो लिखना था उस पे एक post-it पे. We all have done that.
Yes.
Yes.
जिसने नहीं लिखा है please type or put it on the chat. No, I'm assuming everybody has done that.
Yes.
Okay, for those who have joined in late, those people you've also done, who joined in afterwards, जिन्होंने बीच में join किए थे, काफी लोग हैं, उन्होंने भी किया है. Yes, no. Okay, and the second chapter which we did on money was Money Magnet, wherein the book told us how to deal with our bills. So okay, I'll do it today. Okay, great. So if you have heard the recordings, please do it. So the Money Magnet, wherein in the bills we used to say that we used to write that if we have the money, then we used to write thank you what? Can anybody tell me?
Thank you for the money.
If we had the money. Thank you. If we had the money, क्या लिखना था?
Thank you paid.
Thank you paid. Yes. And if we didn't have the money?
Thank you for the money.
No, I have been given throughout my life. Thank you for all the money.
Yeah. Yes. Huh. So yeah. So everybody is clear with this? कोई confusion नहीं है ना? Before we go into Before we go into the chapter today, we start reading today's chapter, the magic check, because now we are going to learn how to manifest money for the future. Okay, before we begin, who all wants to receive magical checks? Who all wants to receive magical checks?
I
Yes.
think
Yes.
Yes, everyone.
Okay, heard somebody saying,
Yes.
I think everyone. Did somebody say that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes.
yes, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, so
All want
just suppose the universe is asking you this question.
ऑनलाइन
Yeah.
ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा मैम?
Sorry?
ऑनलाइन ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा तो जल्दी मिल जाएगा.
No, the universe, if the universe is asking you this question, क्या आपको मनी मैजिकल चेक चाहिए, तो आप बोलोगे किसको नहीं चाहिए मैजिकल चेक. सो यूनिवर्स क्या बोलेगा? If you are not being specific, if you are not giving clear instructions to the universe, you will not get that thing from the universe. Simple. So we have to be specific. And so, okay, so let's take another example. If you ask your kid, do you want to eat an ice cream? आप अपने बच्चों से पूछोगे, आप बाहर गए हो, and you will ask your child, do you want an ice cream? Do you want to eat an ice cream? If the child says, किसको नहीं खाना होगा ice cream, how would you feel?
नहीं, मुझे चाहिए ऐसे ही बोलेंगे ना.
I want.
I
I
want.
Yes.
want.
So I want and I have it should be the feeling.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Everybody is having that feeling now.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everybody is
I have
excited.
it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so who is nominating to read today's chapter?
May I, Namrata?
Yes, sure. That was a nice, I could really feel the joy in your may I. It was really powerful.
Thank you.
Yes.
In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen.
Yes.
William S. Burroughs, 1914 to 1997, writer and poet.
So nothing happens by coincidence in our life. There are no accidents. There is, we say na ki by chance it happened. Many of us say that, na, and we feel also. But anything, whatever is happening in your life is that you had wished for it. Nothing happens unless and until you have wished for it. Yes?
Yes.
So you can look, each one of us can look into our lives. आप भी अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देख सकते हैं कि आज तक जो भी आपकी लाइफ में हुआ है, whether something happened yesterday, something happened in the morning, something happened a month back, आपने विश किया था तभी आपको ये जर्नी के बारे में मालूम पड़ा. आपने विश किया तभी आप सुबह उठ रहे हो इतनी जल्दी. आपने विश किया तभी you are attending all these sessions. Somewhere beneath in your heart, in the deepest of your heart, you must have wished for it. Then only things happen in our lives. आप अपनी अपनी लाइफ में you can see right now also. Okay? And quite often we say that I didn't wish for it, but it happened. Somewhere you must, in your deepest subconscious mind, you must have wished for it. आपने सोचा होगा, and it happened. Please continue.
When you direct gratitude's magical power towards any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition.
Eliminating the old condition.
That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created. eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money.
So yeah, just what we discussed, that gratitude's magical power towards any negative condition. कुछ भी हमारे लाइफ में जो नेगेटिव हो रहा है, जो अच्छा नहीं है, जिससे अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है, जितना हम उसमें ग्रैटिट्यूड का मैजिक भरेंगे, उतना वो ओल्ड कंडीशन हट जाएगा हमारी लाइफ से, एंड अ न्यू कंडीशन, अ न्यू सिचुएशन, अ न्यू a new environment will be created. New things will start flowing in our lives. That means if when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money. So that's what we are going to learn, and we have also done in the previous chapters, that agar jitna bhi, whatever we have, whatever money we have, if we are always grateful for it, कृतज्ञ होंगे, शुक्राना देंगे उस मनी को जो हमारी लाइफ में है, not that what we don't have. We'll read further how we keep on doing this to our lives. But first thing what the book is saying is, this chapter is telling us is that the more and more we are grateful for the money, what we have, instead of feeling the lack of money, then a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and replacing it with more and more money. Is this understood by everyone? Yes, no? Before we go
Yes.
further,
Yes.
please continue.
Yes.
Please continue.
All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more.
If you have feelings about money,
like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situation about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situation that will continue make you fearful about money.
yes. So what is money actually? Money is just energy. We have discussed this earlier. Money is just energy, and anything which is energy has a certain vibration, has a certain frequency. So have we ever thought, जैसे few days back somebody had asked me कि why do we just think negative, why do we have negative thoughts in our mind? So why do we have negative thoughts about money? Because of the beliefs that we are carrying since our childhood. We have heard from our parents, we've heard from our teachers so many profound statements. Kitni cheezein humne suni hai, jaise money doesn't grow on trees, we can't afford it, the rich people, it's money is only there with rich people. ऐसे बहुत सारे हमने सुने हैं statements, बहुत सारे चीजें हमने सुनी है अपनी पेरेंट्स से, अपनी टीचर से, और वो हमारे दिमाग में बैठ गया है. So now let's just try, not try, but let's just change our thoughts about money. So why is it that कभी हमने सोचा है कि majority of the money in this world is in the hands of 10% of the people, and they are called the wealthy people, majority of the money. And then there are others who keep on, every day they have some kind of worry of money, some kind of fear of money, some kind of disappointment for money. Why is this imbalance? Because the wealthy people, they always have a good feeling for money. It's simple as that. Now let's check it for ourselves. हमें अपने आप को टटोलना है कि क्या मेरे feelings money के बारे में अच्छी है? Are majority of the time, do I feel good about money or do I feel bad about money? For example, if I'm giving money to somebody, with what feeling are you giving? Simple thing as we go to buy something. And then our mind starts complaining, अरे ये महंगा है, ये अभी मैं नहीं ले सकती हूँ, ये मैं बाद में लूंगी, अभी तो इतना पैसा ही नहीं है, I don't have that much money to buy this. And वो self talk चलता रहता है, even if we don't say, वो it keeps on happening, and it keeps, that self talk keeps on going in our mind. Yes, no? Does this happen?
Yes.
Yes.
Constantly there is a complaint for money, right? And so whenever there's a complaint, now you have to write 10 blessings. One complaint is equal to 10 blessings. So now today, before we write the magic check, we are going to write as many times as we have complained about money into 10. So so 10 blessings. We have complained 2 times, 20 blessings. You have to write 20 good things, good feelings you have about money. So you have to look into your lives. I'm just giving you an example. And be honest with yourself. Whatever fear you're carrying right now, as we are hearing this, as we are reading, as we are going through this book, we can identify for ourselves. Though more faster we will identify, the more faster we'll be able to manifest money in our lives. And before we began today's chapter, we all we all said that we want money in our lives. We want that magical check in our lives. Yes. So are we all ready to do this, right? How you are grateful for money? Yes, no? Everybody is clear with this?
Yes.
Continue.
However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thought about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you are grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you are doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
Yes, so it is quite impossible कि आपके you are carrying that feeling of disappointment and also being grateful for money. ये दोनों feelings साथ में exist नहीं हो सकते हैं. So you remember the feeling chart. Disappointment is below the line and gratitude is above the line. So you can't be same time, you can't be ऊपर भी नीचे भी. Either you are below the line or you are above the line. तो ये ऐसा कभी हो ही नहीं सकता है कि दोनों थॉट्स एक साथ में हो. Whether it's fear, whether it's disappointment, whether it's worry, चिंता, or maybe there's one more very, very powerful emotion which we all have, which is jealousy and envy. Don't we feel that if the other person is having more than us, whether it's in terms of material things like a beautiful house or a car or more fame, more very good job, good business, all this which is related with money, don't we sometimes feel jealous that how the other person is having more than me? Yes, no? Hota hai aisa?
Yeah.
Yes. So then when we have identified that, then what do we do? So the book is going to tell us, but just touching little bit, that you feel more and more grateful of the money that the other person is having, thinking that it is you who is experiencing that. मतलब उसकी खुशी में हमको खुश होना है. जिस इंसान के बारे में हम सोचना शुरू कर दिया, उसको चेंज कैसे करेंगे? How do we change this thought? By being more and more happier for that person. Is it possible? क्या हम कर सकते हैं?
Yes.
Yes, only one yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. So I'm so glad that we all are ready to do that. Please continue.
You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So, before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful, each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the
Ji, just a minute.
abundance from.
Namrata ji. I can hear some conversation. कोई बात कर रहे हैं पीछे, प्लीज आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लेंगे. Thank you so much. Please, everybody, can you check? Khali, you have to just check that are you muted other than the reader? Thank you so much. Please continue from. So before you use gratitude's magical power.
For the money you want, you need
read this
to
complete sentence, na, Namrata ji. So before.
Okay. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful, each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you.
Yes, so if you have already practiced gratitude for the money you receive and continue to receive, so those 2 chapters which we've already done about money, and Rhonda Bryan is, she is expecting that we have already started the practice of gratitude for money. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come in your life. It could come in your life in different forms and shapes. It's not only ki rupe ke form mein aayega. You could receive an unexpected discount. You could receive, when you go to buy something और आपने कोई चीज ली है off the shelf, और जब आप पेमेंट करने जा रहे हो तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि इसमें तो 1 पे 1 free है, and the person will tell you. Or so many things can happen. So you can receive a gift from somebody. Like yesterday, I received unexpected gift. So that is also some form of money that we are receiving. It's not only that, you'll receive, if that is coming in your mind, I don't know. You'll have to check. Each one of us will have to check for yourself that you receive a big amount of cash. That could also happen. Unexpectedly, somebody will come and give you, some form of cash, or maybe unexpectedly you've forgotten about some shares you have taken, and you will receive a call, so that your thing is matured, and you want to, you receive a call of some dividend or something. Anything can happen. It can come to you in different forms and shapes. Yes. So, but no negative words should come out of your mouth as regards money is concerned. That is very important. How many times do we complain? Simple thing is that somebody is, so I'll give you an example. If there are 15 people staying in the house, and sabke thoughts about money and sabke ways of spending things is different, right? So आप अपनी लाइफ में देख लीजिए. There is one person who has a habit of giving things to people. So let me give my example. So my husband, he has a habit of, whoever comes home, he has a habit, he will come and ask me, can I give something? Even if it's a fruit, or even if he's got these dairy milk, those piece wala dairy milk he has got, he fills, he keeps it in the house. Any person who comes, whether it's the courier person or it's anybody who comes to, the delivery boy, or anybody who comes, he will just with the thing what he is supposed to give. Or if anybody comes to give something, deliver something, or anybody who comes, he will just give that one dairy milk with whatever he has to give. Or if that is not there, then he will look for things, he will search for things to give. So if I'm saying, what are you doing, aap kya kar rahe ho, you don't understand, it costs money. Money is not growing on trees that you're just giving like this. This is what is a complaint I have made about money. In the area of money, this is a complaint. Even though it's a genuine thing, हाँ सच में है ऐसा. But the moment you have made this complaint, you have sent those energies to the universe. And what have you said? Mark your words. आपने क्या बोला कि does money grow on trees? You're just giving like this. Then that will happen in your life actually. And if it is already happening, you have entered into that vicious cycle जो आपको बार बार उसी, you will attract such situations in your life forever unless and until you be grateful about your feeling for money. Is everybody understanding? Does it make sense?
Yes.
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 Yes. So we all unconsciously we keep on doing this. We tell to our kids, whenever they ask anything, what do we say? No, we can't afford now. We can't do it. If they want to go for a holiday, supposing they want to go for a holiday to Europe, and you say that no, we can't afford now. There is a different way of saying. You can also say in a way that yes, we will plan, but we'll plan it later, and we'll plan it in a beautiful way. This is another way of saying. Yeah. Even though you feel it is a genuine thing that yes, right now the money flow is not there, but there is a way of saying, and feeling it in that way and saying is very, very important. Yes, please continue.
Money can come to you through receiving
receiving an unexpected check,
an increase in salary, a lottery with a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money through someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab or coffee, lunch, or dinner when you are about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted. When there is a money back offer on purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy, the end of result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So, whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstances mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving through that circumstance.
Yes, so now we have all the endless possibilities where we can feel that there is abundance of money in our life. It can be an unexpected check. It can be increase in salary. आपकी salary increase हो गई है, आपने मांगा नहीं फिर भी increase हो गई है. A lottery win. You have taken a lottery ticket and you have won. There's a tax refund. Unexpectedly there's a tax refund. Some laws have changed and there is a refund, an unanticipated gift of money from someone, or could be just a gift. You could just receive something which you have asked for, or unexpected uske saath mein ek gift bhi aa jayega. Your money can also increase when somebody picks up the tab for coffee. मतलब आप किसी के साथ गए हो और आपको you thought that you'll have to pay, and आप सोच रहे हो and then suddenly that person says नहीं, today I am going to pay for coffee, lunch or dinner. और या फिर आप कुछ खरीदने गए हैं and आपको discount मिल गया unexpected. Don't we feel happy when we receive unexpected discounts, even if it's for 2 rupees? Don't we feel happy? Yes, no? Yes, because that's a human tendency. We all feel happy when we get discounts, and there's money back offer on a purchase. Money back offer mila hai. Or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy, very important. We feel really happy na, that we are thinking that we need to buy something, और वो अचानक से वही gift आ जाता है. Has anybody experienced this in the past few days? किसी को ऐसा experience हुआ है?
Many times.
Wow. And even before we started or after that? Before we started magic journey or after that?
Before this journey. शेयर किया था।
सॉरी,
मुझे वो गिफ्ट मिला था तो
हाँ
वो
जी,
मैंने
हाँ
शेयर
जी,
किया
आपने
था।
शेयर किया था, राइट। एंड बिफोर ऑल्सो somebody saying before also you used to get these gifts, yeah.
Yeah, before also this.
Lovely, lovely. So nice. So that means your feeling of gratitude is really, really powerful. Yeah. So then, you know what the situation arises like this, ask yourself, for those who have not, received as yet, you can ask yourself, does this circumstance mean that I have more money? कि हम we take it for granted, अरे क्या इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, उसने मुझे इतना सा गिफ्ट दे दिया तो so what? But even if it's a small gift as a piece of a piece of fancy soap which the person has given you, or just a mask which we are using it right now. So anything, even the smallest of the things, somebody has just given you a chocolate, that also is a gift. Now you didn't ask for it and it came to you, right? So be as grateful as you can be, as if you have received a huge amount of money. So all have you all understood this? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So please continue.
If you tell a friend you are about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you are planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if you are lending institution lowers their interest rate, or a service provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increases through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money?
Yes. So before we actually step into and before we actually understand what we are supposed to do, what is today's assignment about, the book is clearing all our beliefs about money in the area of money. जो भी हमारे beliefs है, those limiting beliefs could become an obstacle for us to manifest money. The book is clearing everything, so that whenever it's a new learning for us, the past conditioning of the mind we are trying to dissolve, उसको हम हटा रहे हैं, और so that हम कुछ नया जो सीखने जा रहे हैं उसे हम अच्छी तरह अपना सके, so that we can actually experience the newness in our lives with complete faith. Okay, please continue.
Most likely you have experienced some of this situation in the past, and whether you realize it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it is not luck at all. It's universal law.
Yes, so when many people call it good luck, ना हम ऐसे बोलते हैं good luck किसके साथ में है, पर ऐसा नहीं है, ये तो खाली हम ऊपरी सतह से देख रहे हैं. It's not luck at all. उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है इस एरिया में, in the area of money. It's a universal law. What is the universal law? What is the universal law? Can anybody write it on the chat, or you can?
Law of attraction. आप जो दोगे वही यूनिवर्स आपको देगा.
Yes.
Like attracts like.
Yes. Yes. So whatever you give, it comes back to you, and it comes back to you 1,000-fold. जितना आप देते हो उससे ज्यादा आपको मिलता है. This is another thing which the universe tells us. Yeah. Please continue.
Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost money is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance.
Yes, so important. So important. Be joyful. Be joyful every time you feel gratitude about money or anything. The more and more you give gratitude, the more and more you feel joyful. So for all of us who still are not experiencing any magics in our lives, just check yourself. It's a reality check that most of the time, are you in the feeling of happiness? Are you feeling happy, or you are, constantly complaining? You are in that mode of complaining. You are in that mode of irritability. You are in that mode of small things. You get angry and irritable. So what is it? You have to check for yourself. That is that happening in my life, or I am always in that zone of happiness, in that zone of joyfulness? क्या है, क्या मतलब, where am I? You have to see for yourself कि आप कहाँ पे है अभी. Okay, so the more and more you feel joyful, मतलब कि you are being grateful, or if you are being grateful, then you are joyful. The more and more you will become like a magnet. एक magnetic force आपके चारों तरफ आ जाएगी. And if that magnetic force is there, then you will attract more and more abundance in your life. Okay? Yes, please continue.
When I arrived in United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a Burbanks apartment with my computer.
1 minute. I worked in a bare bones apartment.
With my
Could
computer.
you read this sentence again, please?
I worked in a bare bones apartment with my
bare
computer.
bones means lagbhag khali apartment. It's a way of saying, matlab lagbhag khali apartment with my computer on my
lap. I didn't have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere, but I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift to me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive. And then suddenly, I had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
So the secret is revealed now. For all of us who have any doubts, I feel it will be cleared reading this example that when Rhonda Byrne arrived in United States several years ago, there were only 2 suitcases. This was shown in the Secret movie also, that when she came, and here she tells us more about it, that I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. What she had was an apartment which bare bones matlab lagbhag khali. There was no furniture. What she had was only 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. That was there in the apartment. And she didn't have a car. She just had a laptop. A computer. And there was no car, and she walked almost everywhere. So when you walk now, it could be that it's raining. It could be there is too much of heat. It could be that it's too cold. But so there'll be so many reasons for you to crib now, to complain. But in that state also, she was grateful. She was finding ways for which she can be grateful. So she started looking around her. She's written this now, 4 plates. That means she was grateful for those 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, or 4 spoons. And she was grateful for being that she was able to walk to most places. She was grateful for her legs. At least she can walk. There are people who can't walk, and she was grateful for that. And she was also grateful there was a taxi stand right across the street. So, she was finding these small things to be grateful for. And then the magic started happening. When somebody gifted her a driver and a car for few months. Other than my computer, just imagine, you can imagine somebody who's just having these small things, and that person gets a car and a driver, a chauffeur driven car. it's such a happy moment for that person, na? That you have a car where you can sit, you can just tell the chauffeur, I want to go there, and the person will take you there. And it saves time, right? So that is how the magic happens with gratitude. Why all this she could get in her life? Because she was grateful for those unexpected things, those small things. You know, you could be grateful for the weather today. So many things. I have, you know, many people are asking that I don't know what I'm grateful for. मुझे बार बार वही चीजें आ रही है जब मैं सुबह लिख रही हूँ 10 things again and again I'm writing the same things. I don't know. So now you know na what all things you can be grateful for. Could be grateful for your this morning. Could be grateful for the weather today. Could be grateful for the air you're breathing. Grateful for this floor you're sitting, this room you're sitting right now. You know, so many things. So you have to look around and discover for yourselves. हम सबको discover करना होगा कि हम क्या चीजों के लिए जिनमें हमारा कभी दिमाग गया ही नहीं था, उन चीजों के लिए भी grateful हो सकते हैं. Okay, please continue.
Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the Gratitude Bank of the Universe, and you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money on. Money is a means.
1 minute, 1 minute. There is some this, you know, some noise which is coming, very disturbing. Can anybody check where the noise is coming from? Yeah, now it's stopped. Okay. So now you have to be really clear how to write the magic check to yourself. At the end of this chapter, there is the magic check which will appear. You can make a photocopy of it. You know, you can take a printout of it and you can fill in that check. So what will you fill in? We'll see the magic check. So you will write your name and today's date, and you will fill in the amount of money and choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want. Very important. Randomly, if you write, I want 100 crores, I want 700 crores, I want, you know, maybe 50 lakhs, or maybe, you know, just randomly if you write, it will not work. Let me tell you that before only, because I had done this mistake for myself. What you really want is that what you would like to do when you receive that amount of money. So, for example, if you want a TV set and, you know, a new TV for your house. So supposing a TV, I'm just giving you a very random example. So if you, the cost of the TV is supposing 60,000. Okay. So then you want money to buy that TV. So you will fill in that amount in the check. And because you'll be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you're going to spend the money on. So very important. Understand this first step first before we go to the next step. Is everybody clear with this?
Yes.
Everybody clear with this? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Margiji. Yes, got the point. Yes. So now we go to the next step. Money is a means to what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you won't be able to feel as much gratitude. What we discussed, that if you write, I want 700 crores, will you be able to feel much gratitude? Every time you look at that amount, you will feel, you know, there'll be a doubt which will come. Definitely, for sure, it will come that how will it come? That how will come, which is not our domain. So we don't want that to happen. So when you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money. या तो आप कुछ चीज चाहते हो उसके लिए आप अमाउंट लिखेंगे, or you want to do things, means you want to go for a holiday, you want to give money on charity, वो भी हो सकता है, आप charity में देना चाहते हो, आप किसी को help करना चाहते हो, आपके दिमाग में कोई है जिसको आप help करना चाह रहे थे और आपके पास वो पैसा नहीं था, तो you can write the check for that also, you know. So anything but have a reason, एक reason होना चाहिए कि मुझे ये चीज के लिए money चाहिए. That you should be very very specific on that. And believe me, the more specific you are, the more faster you will manifest the checks in your life. Please continue. You can photocopy.
You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance of blank magic checks from www.thesecret.tv, the magic check.
Yes.
Continue. If you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check. And after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. You will know absolutely the magic gratitude work, and the gratitude and the joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you.
Very, very important. Very, very important. That it's what are the benefits to start with a smaller amount, because then your faith will develop. Then you will know, wow, if I can manifest this amount, I can manifest other amounts also. But most important thing is you have to remember is what is the reason why you want that particular amount? Why are you filling that amount in the check? What is the reason? And are you feeling grateful? Are you feeling joyful? You know, just keep on checking that or you're just, you know, you're just filling in the check because you are challenging the universe, you are wanting to understand whether this can happen or not. If that doubt is there, my invitation to all of you is, my request is, don't fill the magic check, because you're going to create more doubts in your life and more situations will come. So first be clear before you write the magic check, be clear. And my invitation to all of you is that the moment you are clear, the moment you have made yourself clear, the moment you've got that clarity, then today itself write the magic check. Don't delay it, and don't take it to the next day. Please continue.
Once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can.
Now the second emotion is excitement. The first emotion was joy, and the second emotion is excitement. So you should be excited about it. You know, that not just, okay, I want this much money, okay, you know, mujhe aisa chahiye, mujhe itna chahiye, and then you are just sitting, you know, not doing anything. And then you're again the next day, okay, I want this much money. The universe will not understand this language. The universe understands the language of joy and excitement. Remember, in the feelings chart, the first emotion was love, then was gratitude, then was joy. So when you are in that joyful state, when you are excited, then you are actually in the world of gratitude, in the world of magic, in that world where magics happen every moment. So the first important thing is be excited when you're filling in the details. Be joyful and then fill the details. Otherwise, just wait for your feelings to change and then write. Please continue.
Maybe
Madam, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, I have one question. Can I ask just now?
Can we take the question afterwards, please?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll break the continuity. Yeah.
Maybe you want the money for the new pair of shoes, a computer, or a new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery. So you feel excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education.
Yes, so now, Bharatji, if you wanted to ask a question, maybe your question will be answered when we are reading, huh? Could be possible. Okay, still, if it's not answered, you can ask me at the end. Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes. So, small things, or a computer or a new bed. Picture yourself, जो भी आपको चाहिए, चाहे कुछ भी हो, whatever you want, just picturize, visualize yourself. तो अगर जैसे आपको अगर you want to buy a TV, okay, and you filled in 60,000, okay. Now visualize yourself. The next step is that you, in that excited state, you have filled in the check, and now you're visualizing that you have gone to the shop and you've seen all the models of the TV and you like आपको एक model पसंद आया और वो it's fitting in your budget also and उस no, you will not try that. Or yeah, you can visualize that yes, it is fitting in your budget, you have liked that model, and then you ordered it, you placed an order, and then it comes, it's delivered to your house. Now you're searching kahan pe lagayenge. You're so excited that a new TV has come and your kids are excited, or all the family members are excited, and then aap dekh rahe ho ki usko kahan lagaoge, and then which movie will you see in it, or you're seeing all the features of the TV and you're so excited, wow, isme ye bhi hai, isme ye bhi hai. And then the sound is also so beautiful. The sound is so clear, there's so much of clarity. Then what you will just as much detailing as you can give it to that thing, what you have written, what you want to manifest in your life. Yeah, so jitna aap detailing mein jayenge, utna that it will become real for you. It could be for anything. I just gave you an example, but it could be for anything. You want to travel, so travel karna hai, to aap kahan pe travel karna hai, which place, so visualize that place. Then what all will you carry, you have made the tickets. आपने किसको, कौन लोग हैं आपके साथ में, आपने किसको पहले बताया कि I'm going to travel. Make it as real as you can. If you are wanting, you've written the check for your child's college education, so कि कौन से कॉलेज में जाएगा, how the college will be, and what will he do after college, how happy you will be, how happy that your child will be, which friends are there. Every small detailing apne we all have our imagination, so you have to explore your imaginative world. उसको जितना आप डीपली एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, जितना डीपली आप विजुअलाइज करेंगे, जितना डीपली आप इमेजिन करेंगे, उतना that will become real. So first you are making it real in your inner world. पहले आप अपनी अंदर की दुनिया में उसको रियल कर रहे हैं, and then it becomes a reality in your outside world. So imagine, yeah, you can start.
So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as if you have already really received it.
Yes.
After you have completed these steps, take the magic check with you today and put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions during the day, take the magic check in your hands. Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted and feel as grateful and excited as you can. As thought you are really doing it. As though you are really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in a day. As with any other magical practice, you can't do it too often.
Yes. So, once you have completed these steps, you have filled in the amount, for what you have filled in the amount, there is a lot of joy and excitement. Then you take the magic check with you today and put it in a place where you will see it often. मतलब आप ऐसी जगह उसे लगा दोगे, रख दोगे जहाँ पे आप हमेशा उसे देख पा रहे हो। एंड इसमें 2 occasions लिखा हुआ है, you can take it in your hands as many times as you can. If you are going to your office, you can place it on your office table. और जितनी बार आप या फिर अपने सामने स्टिक कर सकते हैं अगर कोई बोर्ड हुआ या कोई वॉल हुआ, और you know if you are you can also stick on the ceiling, जहाँ पे आप सो रहे हो आपके बेड के ऊपर जो सीलिंग है या बेड के सामने अगर कोई वॉल है तो वहां भी आप लगा सकते हैं, या कोई वार्डरोब है, you know whatever is there in front of you at your eye level जहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो वहां पे you can put it. And you can keep, the most important thing is उसको हाथ में लेना है दिन में 2-3 बार, 4 बार, 5 बार, जितनी बार भी आप चाहें, एंड उसको हाथ में लेके ऐसा फील करना है कि वो रियली में यू आर होल्डिंग मनी, यू नो, यू फील द टेक्सचर, यू फील द हैप्पीनेस कि ये रुपया आ गया है आपके पास, दैट मनी इज देयर विथ यू. एंड द मोर एंड मोर यू डू, जितनी बार आप सोचो ना, आप एक ही चीज को बार बार आप विजुअलाइज कर रहे हो, द मोर एंड मोर you will feel it, and the more and more it will become real. Because for the mind, for the subconscious mind, everything what you feel is real, you know. So जितना आप उसको फीलिंग जोन में जितना आप उसको पावरफुल करोगे उतना you will be able to manifest it faster in your life. Please continue.
At the end of today, either keep your magic check where you had it, or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you have received the money and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want. When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with a new amount for something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want.
Yes, suppose, so now then after you've done this, then at the other places which the book tells us that you can put it in your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, अपने magic rock, because magic rock को हम रोज हाथ में लेते हैं तो उस समय भी हम कर सकते हैं, in your car, in your wallet, or in the background of your computer. You could make a screensaver on your telephone also, you know, on your cell phone also. So because anytime you feel the magic check, feel as though you have received the money, and be grateful. Very, very important. Be grateful, be joyful, be excited. The more and more you are into this feeling zone, the more and more you will make things real in your life. So right now we're talking about money. So money, the check which you have written you'll be able to manifest it much, much faster. And when you've received the money on your magic check, अगर आपको मिल गया है वो amount, it could be in a week, it could be in a month, it could take more than 6 months, depending upon your feeling of gratitude and your faith. Yeah. So it could be, you know, you've written a magic check and maybe the next day the check will be cleared. Could be anything, but don't do with any expectation. My invitation to all of you is just don't do with any expectation, because when we expect in the world of magic, it gets delayed. When we get logic in the world of magic, there is no logic in the world of magic. So the logical mind has to be kept aside in the world of magic if you want magics to appear in your life, you know. And then once you have received that item or received the amount of money, then you can replace the check with a new amount. So once you receive it, you'll feel very, very joyful and excited. Wow, I've got this money. You know, the excitement will be at a different level only. So you can either write a fresh check, that is also fine, or उधर ही काट के आप दूसरा amount भी लिख सकते हैं. And you can continue with the magic check practice as long as you want. There is no limit. There is abundance in the bank of the universe. Yes. Thank you, Namrata ji, for doing the reading for us. Thank you so much. Okay, there's a question. Suppose I want some rest. Sorry, rest payment, then can I write? What is it? I didn't homework. Sorry, yeah, we are going to read. Yeah, so, yeah, you can read this.
Magic practice number 17. The magic check. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Number 2. Fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Number 3, hold your magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Number 4, take the magic check with you today and put it in the place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions, take the check in your hands, picture yourself using the money for what you want, and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. Number 5, at the end of today, keep your magic check in the prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the money on your check, and or if you received the item you wanted to spend the money on, replace the check with a new amount of something else you want and repeat steps 2-4. Number 6, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah, I think everybody must have understood this. What all we have to do first is count your blessings, which we always do. The first and the last is always same. Now, first you have to fill in the magic check with the amount of money you want to. So the magic check looks like this. I will send it on the chat. Here it's broken, divided into 2 parts. But if you can also download, so you can make a note of this if you want to write www.thesecret.tv /magic check. You can take a printout from this. You can go on this site and take a printout. Yeah, so the check looks like this. It's a check which is given to us by the universe and it's a blank check. Have you ever received a blank check earlier, anytime, anybody? किसी को मिला है कभी?
Vandana, have you shared it on the screen or no?
Yeah, sorry.
Is it on the screen? Have you shared the check?
I just showed you, but it's divided into 2 parts and it's it's not proper. So either you can
I'll take it from the book.
You can take it from the book. You can go to the site also and www.thesecret.tv /magic check. You can go and take out a printout from the site also. Or I'm going to send it on the Telegram group. Or if किसी से printout नहीं निकल पा रहा है, so you can just see the magic check, take a paper, draw it on your own and write all this. Yeah. But when you make on your own, the feeling is different. And when you take a printout, you actually feel that it's a real check which you have received. The feeling is slightly different. So see whatever works the best for you, you can do it. Okay. So Hina ji, suppose I want some rest payment, then can I write what is rest payment? I didn't understand.
हाँ, जो बाकी पेमेंट है वो काफी महीनों से नहीं आ रहा है, तो इसके लिए मैं पूछ रही थी कि वो लिख सकते हैं।
बाकी पेमेंट यूनिवर्स को नहीं मालूम है कि बाकी पेमेंट है या कैसा, वो एक अमाउंट है आपके लिए.
ओके,
टेक इट एज एन अमाउंट एंड डोंट हैव टू गिव दैट फीलिंग कि ये बाकी पेमेंट है. ये फीलिंग मत दीजिए.
ओके,
ये फीलिंग से करिए कि आपको ये अमाउंट आना है.
ओके,
just feel that. Okay, then again you will confuse the universe. तो वो हमको नहीं करना है ना. We don't want to do that, right? Yes, understood?
Yeah, yes.
Bharat ji, you wanted to ask something? You can ask now.
Other person, Bharat had no on in another meeting. Another
Sorry.
person. कोई दूसरे थे उन जिनको पूछना था.
स्नेहल भाई थे, I think so.
अच्छा, okay. Acha, I thought it's Bharat ji. Okay, I want to just tell you all one thing. It's a request that if anybody is joining new, like yesterday we had that new participant and I was really confused because it was showing Chandrika and I thought it's Chandrika, and then I thought, that person walked in just, matlab you are just hearing as a passerby and you ask a question. It actually affects the energy of the entire session, energy of the entire class. All the people get affected by this random question which was asked yesterday. तो अगर आप शुरू से हैं इस जर्नी में तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं, why, what is happening. अगर आपने ऐसे ही एक स्टेटमेंट सुन लिया and you want to ask a question, just because it's a free session, it's not the way it should be. So it actually spoils the entire quorum of the meeting. So if my request to all of you is that anybody is joining, like many people joined in between and उन्होंने मुझे बोला, personal message भेजा कि I have joined today. Today is my first day. I want to come in the group. I want to be added to the group. That's a different thing. Then you are aware, na? Then I tell you, na, watch day 1, day 2 ka recording, and then you know what actually we are talking about. Then it makes sense for you also to stay and understand what is happening. Otherwise, आप ऐसे ही random बीच में, you are asking questions which confuses everybody actually. Okay, so my request to all of you is कि अगर कोई new people आ रहे हैं तो just give an information that I am new, today is my first day, and yes, and if you have any queries, at least you know what we are doing, ना. आपने शायद ये बुक पहले भी पढ़ी होगी, but that understanding is quite different जो हम यहाँ discuss कर रहे हैं. Yes, anybody has any questions, any doubts about this, please ask now only.
Actually मैं ही कल था कि जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, मुझे वो सिस्टम पता नहीं. Actually I am extremely sorry for that. कल मैंने ही पूछा था. Okay.
And that was yesterday was your first session, right?
Yes, it was first session and I don't know what is the system. So
नहीं, आपको ये बुक के बारे में पता है. हमने 16 days we have traveled in this book. हमने पूरा समझा है एक एक चीज को, ग्रैटिट्यूड को, कृतज्ञता को. इसके बारे में आपको मालूम है?
मैंने सीक्रेट्स 2 बार मैंने पढ़ा था वो बुक, और वो वीडियो भी देखा था 2-3 साल पहले.
सीक्रेट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. अभी हम सेकंड स्टेप में चल रहे हैं. हम ग्रैटिट्यूड की दुनिया में चल रहे हैं.
ओके.
सो दिस इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग.
Okay, but actually
that's why it was quite not relevant what you asked yesterday.
Yes.
ये अगर हाँ, तो अगर आप you are welcome on this group. अगर आप मतलब you want to carry the journey with us, you are very very welcome. But पहले आप day 1, day 2 और day 3 के वीडियोस को जो अगर आप ग्रुप में ऐड होना चाहते हैं या जिसने भी आपको ये बताया इसके बारे में, आप उनसे भी पूछ सकते हैं. आप ये वीडियोस देख लीजिए, तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि बुक क्या बोल रही है. Okay, then आपको क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी ना. Then will be lot of clarity in your mind also as to what you want to ask.
Right.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, Vandana.
Yes.
I wanted to know that link which you gave for the check, no?
Yes.
I tried opening it. I don't know, it wasn't coming. So I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong.
You are opening where in the website?
Yeah, I clicked on it.
The website, na?
Yes.
It will open. You try. Otherwise, I'm going to send it in our.
Yeah, you will send it. Okay.
And also, there is one more very interesting check which has been created by someone that also looks very interesting. It's quite colorful and very interesting. So that also I'm going to send the picture. You choose whatever check you want. You can just take a printout of that check and make a check for yourself.
Okay.
And very, very important, I would like to see the checks of everybody tomorrow, or you can post it on our group. Please,
Okay.
please, everybody,
Sure,
if you
sure.
really want magics to happen in your life, don't delay. Stop procrastinating. It's
Okay,
quite
Vanna.
surprising that till now people have not written their dream list.
Vanna ji, we can
Yeah,
take
just a minute. One minute. So just if everybody, agar abhi bhi I have been continuously asking you all any doubts. You know, it's a different thing that we keep on taking things, but giving it also at the right time is very important. Okay, so now you get your answers at why magics are not happening, why small things are happening in everybody's life. I agree, but if we are expecting more, then we have to give more, right? So give our commitment and sincerity. Only two things this book wants: commitment and sincerity. That's it. And then you see magics happening in your life. Yes, somebody wants to ask anything?
Yeah, we can take original check also.
Sorry?
We can take original check also. The original जो checkbook का check है.
नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें this is the check from the universe. इसका जो print है, you know, this is a printed check. This is special check. जब आप उसको देखोगे ना, तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि it's from the bank of the universe. उसमें जो भी लिखा है ना, it's quite different. तो original check तो है ही अब हमारे पास, सबके पास है. But it's a very, very magical check. It's a magical check.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Anybody else has any questions? I think today we will avoid the visualization because today it's already 7:25.
Yeah.
And we have already taken a lot of time because it was a very, very important chapter. It was required also. Agar इस chapter के बारे में anybody wants to ask or any other thing, you are welcome to ask. Anybody wants to ask any clarifications, please ask right now. Or if you've remembered something that, oh, I magic and I forgot to share, you can still share. Yes? No? Everybody has understood the assignment, what we have to do, what the steps for filling in the check. Everybody has understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely. So then it's time for us to say goodbye for after today's beautiful session, and have a magical day. Thank you so much. Have a magical day.
Thank you to everyone.
Thank you.